Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now in this video, I wanna talking about the things that I have that I like most. What is that? Hmm, that is Holy Quran. Why? Because as Muslims, we must instill the love for Quran for ourselves, our family, or our communities. That is so important for our life. Because read Al Quran make our enjoy our life, make it so calm and relax. Why not? Okay. Why I love it? For your information, guys, I have 4 Holy Qurans. Just one I buy it, and the others I get it by the competition. Nah, that is how to read the Quran. Firstly, it knows the kind of our read Quran is Maqam Hafiz. So if you meet the different reading Quran, like Surah Duha, like this. Wadduha wal-layli iza saja. That is Maqam Hafiz. But that is depends than Maqam Warash. Like this. Wadduhi wal-layli iza saja. Nah, that is Maqam Warash. So if you heard different read Quran like that, don't judge. You must learn more. Okay? Thus, in the Islamic boarding, I read Quran. It's so simple. I learn Quran so simple because I use Qira'ati method from Java. Yeah, but in this island, the center is in the Ampana. The level Qira'ati methods that I got now is Pratasi. Then how many level is Prateka? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quran 6. I get level 11. 11. How to read Quran with Qira'ati method? Like this. Okay. Check it. Yes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وتالله لأكيدن أصنامكم بعد أن تولوا مدبرين. Firstly, we read, then we mention the tajwid like this in how it's like ta if it's this is lafzul jalalah. If it's with fathah, you call it lafzul jalalah tafkhim. Then the others like mad tabi'i, gunnah. What is gunnah? Every noun and mim with the tashdid. I think that's it for news, guys. Thanks for your attention. So